Hello students, today we will learn the new topic, that is chapter 13, and the topic what we are going to learn is patterns. So let's understand what is the meaning of patterns. A pattern is a regularity in the world, in human-made design or in abstract ideas. That means pattern is one kind of design. As such, the element of a pattern repeat in a predictable manner. That means when the word comes pattern, it is repeated. A geometric pattern is a kind of pattern formed of geometric shape and typically repeated like a wallpaper design. That means when we talk about pattern, it is like a designed wallpaper what is used in geometry. Any of the senses may directly observe patterns. So, look at the picture. This is one kind of a picture which shows the design of a pattern. What is the pattern in maths? A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. That means it is a sequence that repeats. Math patterns are sequences that repeat based on a rule, and a rule is set way to calculate or solve a problem. That means the maths pattern is in sequence way and it is used based on a rule, and in this rule we can calculate or solve the problem. Dear students, look at the slide. A list of numbers that follows a certain sequence or pattern. This is one way of a pattern. For example, we can take the numbers 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Starts at 1 and jumps 3 every time. That means we are skipping between two numbers. That means we have started from 1 and we are jumping to 4. So in between there are two numbers, that is 2 and 3. So we are skipping two numbers. So we can take another example. It is taken 2, 4, 8, 6, 32. Doubles each time. That means we are multiplying doubles of 2 times. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and so on. Pattern is fundamental to our understanding of the world. It is an important element in every mathematics curriculum. That means when we study the mathematics, there is a one topic, that is pattern. It is very important to learn the pattern. The importance of pattern usually gets lost in a repeating pattern of two-dimensional shape. Patterns in mathematics are much more than a repeating pattern of a shape. That means when we learn the pattern, there is a repeating in the shape. A repeated form or designs especially that is used to decorate something. That means when we talk about pattern, it is something which we decorate. The regular and repeated way in which something happens or is done. That means when we use the pattern, it is repeated regularly or it is done regularly. Something that happens in a regular and repeated way. That means when we talk about patterns, it is regular and it is repeated. Patterns help us recognize thoughts and establish order to our lives. That means pattern help us to establish or increase thoughts and brings us order in our life. As we begin to connect patterns in nature and life, they bring a sense of harmony to our minds. That means when we talk about patterns, it brings harmony and sense in our minds. Patterns lead to and build math, vocabulary and cognitive concepts. That means it increases vocabulary and the concept. Patterns are excellent in helping us establish priorities. So, patterns help us to establish or increase priorities in our daily life. So, look at an example. Dear students, look at the slide. In this, that patterns are formed. So first one is boy, second one is girl, third one is boy, fourth one is girl, fifth one is boy, sixth one is girl. Then who will come in next? In next, boy will come, again the girl will come. So this is pattern number 1. Look at next pattern, that is pattern number 2. So in second pattern we can see that there are 2 girls, then between one boy is there, then again there are 2 girls, then between boy is there, then again 2 girls will come, then between boy will come, and it will be so on. So, my dear students, you can understand that pattern is a design which helps us to learn in our daily life. Let's take another example. There are 2 boys, then between one girl is there, then again there are 2 boys, between one girl is there, then again there are 2 boys, then between girl will come, then there will be 2 boys, then girl will come. So it will be like that. Dear students, a pattern is a series of things where we learn numbers, shapes, flowers, alphabet, etc. placed in a certain order, that is called a pattern.